Right. Okay, guys. It's me with my team. We are, just trying to do some stuff here. This is a self-loading shotgun, guys. We call it a weapon of mass destruction. Right. You can extend it. Extend depending on it, but this thing, the self-loading, this is very, very, very deadly. Self-loading, it the size like a normal rifle. So if I were to choose between using a rifle, self-loading like as 223, na shotgun self-loading, I will choose to use this one. This is very, very deadly because now self-loading, I don't know as the SSG in a SSG.
16.
SSG. If you're saying SSG now
5 to 6.
Yeah, 5 to 6 SSG. Now just imagine if you were using SSG R4 or R1 I started papa za 5 in one single shot between 5 and what? 5 and 6. So then, hold me pangamanda. If I were to choose, then I think will go for what? We'll go for shotgun, self-loading, and it's even good for self-defense. But okay, guys, when we happen the demonstration, we already got to standard normally for hunting purposes, kana for sniper rifle. Chikipa consistency, chikipa zori nisongo move. Just a quick demonstration on how deadly this thing is. Let's go. Right, self-loading. Now, since here go to burungana za 12 to 30 minga chuma chitili. Right. Aina if you were to mtu ako ana nini? R what? R4 or R5. Go. Nenda gurunti bona nzura pala kata gete una zihara ngani. Because one single shot iba yeta nini? Iba yokubaza. Now, kibichirera funeri rikono mafadere ayo, but now I'll encourage ningazufuna ngamanda orini riwe sa team special task force ridoro shimisamini self-loading shotgun because right, very, very effective, very, very powerful. Right, yeah. Right, let's go again. One single shot, nibanita damage jasira singamani. Right, open. Right, inspect my what? Chamber like we normally do. Aim, dry fire, and not holster. Not one is the resona. Right. Unamtana kwa the tester.